what made Rust stab us in the back, but I really don't give a shit, as I never cared for that silver-haired fucker. But you are a couple of fucking fools for coming here, you hear me? There's no chance in hell you're getting out alive. Firstly, you're gonna witness me put a bullet through this mechanic's head, and after that, my crew is gonna fuck you up good. Retribution time.
Off that chair so we can get this over with. Civilians are an asset. You kill them, they're
thank fucking God you're here. These bastards are gonna kill me. And for what? I just came here to get the bike. Jesus Christ.
We need the mechanic's help to put together Rust's bike. Follow his lead. They're coming in force. They're bringing in armored units. Faster!
Well aware you're not only here to save my ass. Russ still wants his bike back,
right? Well, to do that, I'm gonna need all the parts. They're
spread all over the place.
Looks like they sent an extraction team to free the civilians first. Let him know who's in charge.
Okay. I need some exhaust pipes and a gas tank. There's a ceiling lift in the workshop. They store them up there. Get me both, and I'm all happy.
The rescue units just freed a civilian. Did you hear the man, gang? He needs a gas tank and exhaust pipes from the workshop. Get over there and deliver. Storing stuff in an old bunker. The mechanic said you would find This caper just fine. Now, make what you did count.
Back on point. Drill's done. Inside.
Heat's around the corner, guys. It'll get real hot in 30 seconds flat. That's the one. Bring it back to the mechanic. 20 seconds to go, people.
This is history.
10. Brace yourselves.
Taser! Taser down!
There's a medic!
The medic is down! Smoke coming in, taser!
Got the taser! Taser got one down! They've got a bloody medic!
Shield down! The medic is down! Shield, smoke it out!
Fuck me, a cop medic!
Well, those are snipers.
Okay, that should do. What's next?
Go, ball! Shit, taser!
I need to take apart a bike and get some special shit. You need to take it. My magic.
There's a shield, amigo!
Cops are deploying more snipers.
He's dead! Shield ain't...
Shield eliminated! They're retreating!
Wow, never seen anything like that. I don't mean to holler at you, but you did great back there. Yeah, guys, there's another police assault coming through.
You guys have me covered, right?
Taser's taken care of.
ETA, 20 seconds.
Taser, stay back! Got the taser!
10 seconds to lift off.
taser! Their shield's down! Smoke grenade!
I'm done. I got what I needed. Take me back to the truck.
Watch out!
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. It is done. Now you get the fuck out of here.
Cabrones, dead!
Command, you can either steal more things, or you get on that bike and ride. Ride like the wind. Gonna be a lot of early retirement forms filed today. Okay, you earned your chance here. Don't waste it. Damn, the cops are bringing everything they have to get you. And you're gonna be surrounded if you don't leave now. Hurry up and escape via the canal route. Now! Just keep driving straight.
I had my doubts, gentlemen, but you came through. Bane just received the information he needed from Rust, so it's time for the big score.
Okay, stay low, everybody. Detonating in 4, 3, 2, cover. Okay, get in there and get our man out.
ground!
Keep moving along the bridge until you reach the prison transport.
I want to see everyone on the ground! Get down! Get down!
Get on the ground.
Shut up and
Down.
get down!
Look out! Secondary explosion! There should be 4 prison transports on the scene. Okay now, which transport is he in? Saw them all open and find out. 20 seconds to go, people. You gotta saw those trucks open and find the target. Any second now. Watch yourself. Saw those trucks open. Gotta saw those trucks open and find the target. Saw those transports open. Saw those trucks open. Mount the saws on those transports.
It's a dozer.
Okay, the first truck is open. Check it. Great, that's him. Get him out of there and to the top of the tower. Get him to the tower.
Now! Organizing my escape. This is a pleasant surprise.
Earn this breather. Now it's time to work. We don't have long until the next assault, folks.
You guys should start working for me.
They're really trying hard on us. Another police assault coming in 30. 20 seconds to go.
Bullseye!
10 seconds to go.
Agent spotted! Look out!
Police are free civilians guys. You got the prize. We watched the...
Sons of fucking bitches! We're fucked.
It's an FBI operation. No way out. They're gonna take you down unless you shoot your way out of there. Look, those doors aren't going to hold up when they start shooting. Hey, half the goddamn police force is out there. Are you ready to defend yourselves? Return fire. I'm getting you a driver. You need to keep them off the coke.
Ay, carajo!
Wait for it.
Hold them back. I'm looking for an escape driver as we speak. Okay, playtime's over, folks. The police assault is on its way in about 30 seconds.
Bulldozer!
20 seconds to go.
Mark's got a medic! Piece of the shit ain't got nothing. Taser, eliminated.
Watch out! Medic!
Brace yourselves. They're deploying SWAT units. Get ready to face some heavy firepower.
2 minutes, guys.
2 minutes. 2 minutes till pickup cars here. Hold them back.
Bulldozer's taking
My
care
leg
of!
closer! I got it!
Hold them back.
Kill the medic!
Medic Bastardo is dead!
I can hear the sirens. I'm there in 1 minute.
1 more minute. Pickup's almost here. He'll be here soon.
Shield's taken care of!
30 seconds, guys.
Keep your heads down. 30 seconds till pickup.
Gotcha!
Hey, there's a shield!
Hold them back.
Taser is dead! There's a taser! Smoke grenade! Joker está muerto! He's dead! You're bleeding!
Bulldozer!
All right, I'm here.
Everyone listen up. The pickup's here now. You're gonna need to cross over that walkway. He's on that side. Okay, now get the bags into the truck. We need at least 4 bags.
Okay,
That's one in. Great. We need at least 3 more. Beautiful. We just need 2 more. At least 2 more bags. Okay, folks. We just need 1 more bag for Hector, and we're good to go. This is gonna be a profitable run. 20 seconds to go, people. Hey, you're on track. Keep going.
Electrical man is dead.
10. They stole the bags.
30 seconds now. Don't let me wait now.
Escape driver's coming in now. The escape driver is coming in now.
There's a medic!
Job keeping it together in a tight spot. Now hustle to the docks. You got most of it, and most of it is better than none of it. Hector will be happy with how you handled yourself. Gotta get to the boat now.